Welcome back to another quick tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how to sign into Yahoo search engine. Let me show you how. The very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and come to the top right here and make sure you click on sign in. After you click on sign in, go ahead and enter your Yahoo username. Once you enter your Yahoo username, click on next. Then go ahead and fill up your login password. Once you enter your login password, hit on next. The next thing you want to do here is to go ahead and click on remind me later. Now you are here. You have fully logged in into your Yahoo search engine right here. So after a successful login to your Yahoo search engine, you will have access to some of the Yahoo tools. So for that, go ahead and make sure you click on this particular dot right here. Click on here, then you have access to Home tab, News, Mail, Finance, Weather, Sport, and then you can go ahead and do some of the settings under your Yahoo search engine right here. Just like what you see right here. It's that simple. For more tutorial about how best to use your Yahoo search, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.